àdúrà àgbà o, owó yẹn á wà o, bust down bìsàbìsà láwà o, ọmọ ológo dáyà o. Cash money, I'ma yam me job. Young Soki, I'ma no dey done. Okaliku, Shiruku, dey fall. Pop past my G, my jet on. Sometimes me I pray to the Lord. And I will be done in my life with the Lord. Many things I know fit up. Money fit me, I don't wanna be poor. I'ma yam me, shanu me.
It is Dom Day. Just getting ready to go out. Going to African Queen on Jumeirah Beach. With Dom. Not sure who else is going. I know her sister's in town. Mia, what are you doing? Don't lock the door, please. You listening to worship before I go? Well, the word before I go. Yeah, I'm excited to go out. I'm excited. Last week, I was supposed to go out with Hayes and Annie. What's up? This is what the girls do when they don't want to go to bed. All of a sudden she's hungry. No, can you go to your dad please? Because I'm getting ready to go out. My headscarf that I used to plait my hair. Yeah, I was supposed to go out last week, but I just decided I'm not going out unless it's birthdays now. So we've got Dom's birthday today. Tyra's birthday, I'm doing a whole weekend, so you'll see. And then it's Cammie's birthday on Monday, and I think we will be out on Friday. And then the weekend after that, we've actually got my big bro and sis coming to stay with us, Iman and Mimi. And then it's our wedding anniversary, which Tyra says he's got something planned. And we haven't celebrated our wedding anniversary properly since we've been married, and this will be our 6th year. No, girls, look at. Look what she's doing. That's on pause. Anyway, this will be our 6th year, and he said he's got something planned. We've either worked, or it's been COVID, or one of the kids would have been due soon. So I'm really excited. Really excited to be having some fun things to do. But yeah, I'm ready. About to call my cab because it's going to take me about 40 minutes to get to the beach. So yeah, I'm going to bring you along with me anyway, and we're going to have a time. Side note, I don't know if I'm playing myself by wearing this dress, because it was actually 43 degrees outside today, but it's cute. And this is like my style, high neck, and it's cute. It's cute, right? Here at African Queen, gonna go for dinner. Super cute.
àwọn wèrè wọn ni mo lọ sẹlẹ ikú padà ẹ tí mo ti yẹ jẹ tó mo wọnú parí kálọjá iṣẹ ń jẹ èmi láì mi ọlọpàá mi lè sẹńpẹ o nínú pàṣẹ mo máa jẹ bẹ kẹlẹkẹ kọ máa bẹ jẹ o kọrẹ rí má padà tọrọ lẹbẹ o. ẹsẹ inú sínú ẹyẹ ìbò mo kàn tí kò sí ọmọ sí ní pé kí n kárí go fún wọn ní gbẹ̀rí tó dé.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tom. Happy birthday to. Good morning. On the way to Alcuz. My friend Denise has got me going to a HIIT class this morning. So Tyra's about to drop me off. HIIT class. And I got home at like 3 a.m. Went to African Queen last night, which was absolutely fantastic. The food was good, the vibes were good. We were literally talking to 2 a.m. They closed at 1. They had to kick us out by 2 a.m. But yeah, we had a really nice time for Dom's birthday. Gonna join them later today at a beach club. Yeah, so you'll be coming with me again. It's getting hot in Dubai now. It's getting really hot. As I mentioned, it's like 43 degrees. so we'll see how that goes. But we're coping. We will be out of here before it gets unbearable. But right now it's the nights that are killing me, to be fair. But yeah, speak to you soon. We went out to dinner on a Friday night, and literally at dinner she was like, "You come training with me tomorrow." I was like, first of all, girl, I just met you. 2, we're out at dinner right now, back in shots. I'm not going nowhere tomorrow morning. And that was sick. When did we meet Denise? In November.
When you met, I knew this.
Oh, you knew Denise from... Yes. Yeah, Ty met her from before. I met her in November, but she's also a friend of my cousin as well. 6 months later we made it, and it was fantastic. I'm going back. It's a bit of a journey from me, but it's worth it. I was sweating within the first 5 minutes. I had a fantastic time, and I need a gym like that. It's a proper gym. I need a gym like that. My community gym doesn't even have kettlebells, doesn't even have barbells, so we're literally queuing to get on the Smith machine. So yeah, every Saturday I'm down. I'm really happy. I found my people, y'all. I'm so happy. I've got hair everywhere. I've just blow dried out my hair, and I never usually do. I usually just do wash and go, but I just blow dried it out. I've got hair, absolutely tiny bits of hair everywhere, and big bits, because I don't know why. I don't know if it's the dry weather, but my hair is shedding. My hair's shedding a lot. Just chucked it into a messy bun. But hey ho, yeah, I need to start stretching it out. I feel like when I'm doing wash and go, I get a lot of knots, and then that gets yanked out, breakage, especially at the back. The speaking engagement that I did a bun, slick bun here, and all of these bits were sticking out, and I was like, wow, look how much my hair's broken at the back. Anyway, nothing that my little concoction won't fix. But hey guys, that was a little rant. About to go downstairs. I'm working hours, but I want to go and bake with the kids. Livy wasn't feeling too well today, and I tried it. I tried to take her into nursery. Because she had sports day today as well, and I didn't want her to miss out. And as soon as we got to nursery, she had to change into her sports day gear, and they were like, oh, she's got a temperature, you need to take her home. So Ty and I have been working all day. She's been good, drawing, doing some writing and a bit of TV. And I said, because she's been a good girl, we'll make a cake. So that's what we're going to do now. Right, let me help you do it. Literally just
I want to do it together.
Alright, let's do it together.
Mommy, can you bring your finger?
Yeah. Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh! No.
No. You will use the whites.
That's it. Good girl.
It's my turn now, Mia.
Yeah, Mia. Let Livy mix, and then you put in the honey. You're gonna put in the honey.
Here's yogurt. We're making a cake. This?
You're gonna eat this. Right, have a little bit of rice, and then we have this after, okay?
This is so small.
Yeah.
Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. Now it looks so pretty. Now we're going to put it in the oven. So then when it comes out,
Then you'll eat it.
Guys, the cake is ready now.
Yo people, welcome back to Life Lately. We're in the building. We're about to go see some properties at the Ras Al Khaimah development with a client. So about to step out, the driver's waiting outside. So yeah man, looking to take you guys along with that, show you guys everything that we're doing. It's very, very hot out there, so the aircon is on and booming here, and we're gonna have to have it booming in the car as well. But yeah, let's go have a look.
When you white there, fuck we like me, padà be like this. Maluto ni Olúwa ló ń balẹ̀ ṣe. Ọmọ wèrè Olúwa ló ń ṣọ́. Agbégbá orin wọn ní kí la fẹ́ kọ́. Wọ́n ní pé lójọ́ tá mi mú padà di celeb. Àwọn wèrè wọ́n ní mo lọ celeb.
So it overlooks the pool and towards the casino, yeah? Yeah. Biggest one as well.
Wi-Fi is it?
See, the way the guy is showing me, it's not even a joke.
That's so funny.
He's just showing me.
Alright, Liz, how's the day been?
Huh?
How's the day been?
It's been great. It's been great. It's good to see different developers. We've got their projects.
Damn man, damn man, just staying charged up, you know? Yo people, another day in sunny Dubai. I'm about to go Ras Al Khaimah. So I'm just gonna put my stuff in the car. Ooh!
Anybody else?
Yes, 2 more people coming. Yeah. Russell, let me go outside, I need to get something here. Get something from the car. Yeah people, so we're going to Ras Al Khaimah to go look at look at the plots for the off-plan units, just get a feel for the island, get a feel for the distances, how far it's going to be from the wind. Then we're going to a launch event straight after for some Ras Al Khaimah units. So yeah, looking to be a really, really good day. And yeah man, looking forward to it. As you can see, this is the setup for today. Yo people, so we're on the way. We've got Liz in the building. On our way there. Got the V-Class today. So yeah, I'm just looking to get down there, get a feel for it, look at distances and so on and so forth. So see you down there guys. Peace.
So let's have a photograph opportunity, and then we will do a countdown before we press the buzzer.
You ready to go out and play? You matching with your sister? Mia, you matching?
Matching together, right?
You're matching together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you running. The blue was sticking.
Wow. Guys, today is 47 degrees. I'm going out with the girls. When it's hot like this, I typically come in the car first, turn it on. I put the aircon on so it's actually bearable for the girls to sit in the car. So these are the things that you have to think about right here. 47 degrees in May. Summer's gonna be crazy. Very, very hot day. All right, we've got a new car by the way. If you wanna have a look. Switched it up from the last one, so Invigo looked after us. As you can see, we've got the Jetor T2. Very clean, very clean. So yeah, about to go out with the girls. They're gonna link up with their friends, King and Ava, And yeah, man, I'm gonna chill off, to be quite honest with you. Come on, girls, let's go. It's very hot, isn't it?